If you're looking for the best AI image generator in 2026, two names stand out: Leonardo AI and Midjourney. In this video, I'll quickly compare both tools so you can decide which one is right for you. What is Leonardo AI? Leonardo AI is an AI image generation platform focused on creators, designers, and game developers. It offers a wide range of models, customization options, and even tools for training your own AI models. What is Midjourney? Midjourney is one of the most popular AI art generators known for producing highly artistic and cinematic images. It mainly runs through Discord and focuses more on quality and style rather than deep customization. Ease of use. Leonardo AI has a user friendly web interface, making it easy for beginners to start generating images. Midjourney, on the other hand, requires using Discord commands, which can feel confusing at first. So Leonardo wins here in ease of use. Image quality. Midjourney is well known for its stunning high quality and artistic outputs. It often produces more realistic and visually appealing images right out of the box. Leonardo AI also delivers great quality, but it may require tweaking settings to match Midjourney's results. So Midjourney takes the lead in raw image quality. Customization and control. Leonardo AI offers more control. You can adjust models, fine tune styles, and even train custom data sets. Midjourney has improved, but it still focuses more on simplicity than deep control. If you want flexibility, Leonardo AI is the better choice. Speed and performance. Both platforms are fast, but Leonardo AI often gives you more generation credits and faster workflows, depending on your plan. Midjourney is consistent but can slow down during high demand. Overall, Leonardo has a slight edge here. Pricing. Leonardo AI offers a free plan with daily credits, making it great for beginners. Midjourney doesn't have a free plan and requires a paid subscription to use. So if you are on a budget, Leonardo AI is the better option. Best use cases. Choose Leonardo AI if you want more control and customization, a beginner friendly interface, free access to start. Choose Midjourney if you want the highest artistic quality, cinematic and realistic images, simple prompt based generation. Pros and cons. Leonardo AI Pros, free plan available, easy to use, high customization. Leonardo AI Cons, quality may need tweaking, less consistent than Midjourney. Midjourney Pros, top tier image quality, very consistent results, great for artistic visuals. Midjourney Cons, no free plan, requires Discord, limited control compared to Leonardo. Final verdict. There is no single winner, it depends on your needs. If you want control, flexibility, and a free option, go with Leonardo AI. If you care most about stunning visuals with minimal effort, Midjourney is the better choice. And that is it for today's comparison. If you find it useful and helpful, please consider like and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon to get all the news about AI and such softwares and programs. Tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for and why, and if you have actually tried one of them and how was your experience. Share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching and goodbye.